Pakinggan nga yung katabi mo, do you feel blessed na katabi mo yung katabi mo ngayon? Parang ano, parang duday. Parang lugi ka pa. Parang lugi ka pa dun sa katabi mo ah. Ayan. So, again, we're so happy, we're so blessed to be here. And ramdam nating energy. Ngayon, nagsimula na yung queuing system natin. Nakita nyo ba? Hindi lang inabutan yung pila kanina sa check releasing kasi yung thermal paper hindi pa umabot. Pero we'll keep on innovating and improving that as we make it more smoother. No? At importante, sabi nga natin, sa Ascendra naman, it's not about perfection, it's all about progress with purpose. Tama ba? Sabi nga natin, it's not about perfection, it's about progress with purpose. Kasi kapag nandun ka sa, yung purpose mo, yung motive mo, tama, no? Naka-align tayo to sa goal, sa mission natin. Regardless kung maliit na movement yan, hindi mo mapansin, no? You'll be arriving on your destination. It's the same way on how you meet the big elephant. Minsan sa sobrang layo ng pangarap, sobrang laki ng goal, sobrang daming kailangan gawin sa grupo, sobrang daming kailangan gawin sa business. Minsan parang it's a too big elephant, it's a too big task. Pero always remember, the best way for you to actually eat a big elephant is not just by one swallow. Hindi po kinakain ng isang malaking elepante. Hindi mo makakain ang isang malaking elepante ng isang swallow lang. You eat a big elephant not just by one swallow, but a small tiny ant can actually finish a big elephant just by one small bite at a time. One small bite consistently, persistently, tuloy-tuloy, one small bite. I'm telling you, you will finish that big elephant. You will arrive your destination, makukuha mo yung mga pangarap mo sa self-trained. So, goal natin. We want to progress. We want to continue moving. And part of the movement that we are doing towards our vision is these innovations, these features, no? Ito yung mga solutions na meron tayo ngayon. And marami to, yung iba, this is one of the most awaited, no? Most awaited, matagal lang hinihintay. Pero sa Ascendra International, ito na siya ngayon. Okay ba? Yan. So, mga kaibigan, we want to introduce to you, we have launched this during our event last General Assembly natin sa MetroNet, yung ating bagong-bagong solution, Ascend Health Plus. Pakisabi nga yung pangalan ng ating solution in 3, 2, 1. Yan. So tandaan nyo Ascend Health Plus is our newest medical coverage solution. Alright? So it's a medical insurance, medical coverage that is covering you into viral bacterial sickness and illness, kasama na rin ang accident. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin further yung detalye niya, and then we'll be having a Q&A. Pero sa topic natin today, I just want to start, ano ba yung purpose natin, ano ba yung goal natin. So we will be dissecting yung topic natin into 3 major points, no? Pero ginawa natin ang acronym. Ang acronym ng topic natin today is PRO. Pakisabi nga PRO. Ang goal natin today is to be a pro in protection. Okay ba kayo doon? Sino dito yung mga ready maging pro in protection? Nasa kamay. Yan. Okay. Lahat tayo. Ang commitment natin today kasama yung mga nasa Zoom to be a pro in protection. So, huwag muna natin isipin ngayon. Baka inisip mo lang ngayon, gusto ko matutunan niya para makabenta ng marami. Yan yung mindset ko ito. Sabi ko, prospect. Dami na naman itong direct referral. So, ngayon, hindi mo na yun. Alright? Mamaya yan. Susunod yan. Ikaw follow. Right? This time, we will focus on becoming a pro. Okay ba yun? Kasi remember, pag ikaw nakafocus sa numbers, pag ikaw nakafocus sa transactions, maraming tao nakafocus sa kitaan agad. And most of the time, that kind of mindset is not sustainable in business. Lagi kang maghahabol sa income. Lagi kang maghahabol sa numbers. The most sustainable way is not to run for numbers, but to actually run for value. Pakisabi nga, value. And the best way to increase your value is to increase your mastery. Pakisabi nga, mastery. Because when you are a master of something, when you're a pro about something, I'm telling you, value will naturally increase. Are you following? Kaya magpaka-master, magpakadalubhasa ka muna sa isang bagay. Kapag malupit na malupit ka dyan, pag alam na alam mo yung ins and outs na yan, confident na confident ka, confidence is equals to competence and competence is equals to confidence. Energy can never lie. Pag alam mo yung sinasabi mo, ramdam yan ang kausap mo, mata mo pa lang. Are you following? So pag ginalingan mo, minaster mo isang bagay, I'm telling you, naturally, your value would increase and value attracts money. Ang tao, nagbibigay ng pera, nagtitiwalang bumibili dun sa mga taong alam nila yung ginagawa nila.
Yes.
And that's why today, our commitment, tanggalin mo muna sa isip mo yung kikitain. Ang commitment natin, kasunod lahat yan, is to be a pro in protection. Can we commit on that? Pakitapin nyo nasa kanan at nasa kabila, be a pro in protection. Okay. Okay? Ang sabi dito, because prepared people prosper. So tatlong bagay, pag-uusapan natin. Prepare, respond, and ayan. So yun yung pro, no? We'll be talking about preparation. We'll be talking about our response to that preparation, and we'll talking about ownership, no? Mamaya yung ownership na on din. Alright? So, unahin natin yung P, prepare. Pakisabi mo, prepare. Sabi dito, the first step to protection is awareness. Alam mo, ang challenge, kapag pinag-uusapan natin yung protection solution, marami sa atin kaya nahihirapan kang i-offer to outside because you don't even know the value of what we are offering. Sabi nga natin, hindi ito basta benta-benta lang. Ang nakakapagbenta, hindi yung facts. Kahit na anong facts ang iba mo, kapag hindi mo alam yung value at storya ng produktong ibibigay mo or i-share mo, hindi ka talaga makakabenta. Kaya very importantly, alam natin ano bang value ng protection. Alam nyo, isa sa mga pinakamagandang solusyon ng Acentra International is ito. Because this is in line with the mission of Acentra International to increase the financial literacy and financial awareness ng marami nating mga kababayang Pilipino. Kahit na hindi na tayo masyado lumabas, sa industriya na lang ng network marketing. When we started founding Acentra International, isa yan sa mga pinag-uusapan namin lagi nila Sir George, nila Sir Joseph, for how many years nila Mrs. For how many years in network marketing, ang dami na natin nakitang kumita ng malaki. Malamang marami sa inyo naka-experience na yan. Kumita ng sobrang laki, pero napakalaki pa rin ang utang. Hello? Tama o may tinamaan? Pwede naman talaga. Kasi, that's the reality of it. Ang dami sa atin, kumita naman ang malaki. Lahat naman tayo, kumita ng malaki. Actually, I'll be honest with you, I'll be raising my hand on that. Marami sa atin victim of that. Marami sa atin ang daming tuition fee dyan. Ang dami sa atin ang daming learning dyan. Ang laki ng kinikita, pero on financial management, mahina talaga. So, kailangan talaga i-improve pa, kailangan galingan pa. And we all be honest on that. And that's the reason why we want to focus on this solution. Kasi itong solution na to, magandang carpet to, magandang foundation to on financial literacy. Kapag na-mindset mo yung tao about the importance of protection, insurance, doon ka makakaharap ng leeway to introduce financial literacy and financial management. Because the truth is, at the end of the day, it's not just about earning the money. It's all about how you manage the money. Kasi kahit malaki ang pumapasok na income, kapag lahat naman yun palabas at walang cash flow sa kaperahan mo, sa finances mo, hindi umiikot. Are you following? Kaya napaka-importante sa atin na maintindihan yung value ng protection. And this is aligned to our mission of increasing financial awareness and financial management na marami natin kasama sa negosyo. Okay ba yun? Kaya mapapansin mo, magkakalinya po yan. Yung dashboard natin, tayo ang unang-unang networking company na may tatlong klase ng wallet or account. Tama ba? Wala kami kita ganyan. Kahit sa pagpunta, lahat ng dashboard, lahat ng portal, pag pumasok ang komisyon, nandun lahat 1 million pesos. Buo na yun. Pahala ka sa buhay mo. Are you following? Kaya minsan, nauuna yung wants bago yung needs. Kung ano nang nagagawa sa pera, may mga impulsive buying. Walang tamang management. Because the basics of financial management is knowing the allocations, knowing of the direction. Kaya nilagyan natin ng essential account, nilagyan natin ng expansion account, nilagyan natin ng enjoyment account. Para unti-unti, na mindset ng mga members natin, ang pera pala, dapat may tamang direksyon. Alam natin saan napupunta. Are you following? Sinama natin to sa major solutions. MVP, Mastery, Vitality, and Protection. Pansinin nyo, pag pinipresent yung AI phone, bago pag-usapan yung kitaan ng turbo. Hello? Bago ipakita yung table ng direct referral bonus, i-explain mo na yung MVP. Kasi nga, imposible na kumita ka ng malaki. O, okay, pwede kumita ka ng malaki. Pero hindi siya sustainable kahit kumita ka ng malaki sa turbo, hindi siya sustainable kapag hindi mo na-maximize yung MVP. Hello? We need to maximize the mastery. Kasi pwede kumita ka lang malaki sa turbo pero nakachamba ka lang. Pwede, pwede. Pwede. Pwede kang kumita sa turbo na nakachamba. Pwede kang kumita sa turbo pero ang dami mong sakit. Pwede, pwede. So kailangan, pwede kang kumita sa turbo pero wala kang financial management. Hindi ka marunong mag-manage ng pera. Pwede, pwede. Kaya bago kumita sa turbo, bago natin patakbuhin yung turbo, paliparin yung turbo yan, ma-maximize mo muna yung MVP. You must be the product of your own product. You must be the solution of your own solution first. Kaya huwag kang puro turbo ng turbo. Dito yung sigaw. Pag tinanong mo, cover ka ba? Hindi. Turbo! Turbo! Inom ka ba ng Best Party? Hindi ka pa mo nakakit yun eh. Tama ba? Oh, mag-turbo! Nakakit ka na ba ng ascent program? Hindi pa nga. Ano ba yung checklist? Ano ba yung lift off? Are you following? So, you maximize the MVP. Para pag na-maximize mo yan, ang sarap kumita sa turbo kasi sustainable yung magiging kita mo. Are you following? So again, what we want to focus on is in part of the solutions natin is protection. Dito pinapakita natin na everybody should be prepared. The first step to protection is awareness of how important it is. Now, what should you be aware of? I'll show you some numbers here. These numbers ito hindi ko galing sa akin. These numbers are facts, no? As you can see, in the Philippines right now, every year, taon-taon, over 1.5 million Filipino families fall into poverty because of hospital expenses. Yan na. Sino dito naka-experience? May kamag-anak or may kasama sa bahay na hospital? May experience sa kayo gano'n? Na emergency room, na hospital yung anak, kapitbahay, kapamilya, tatay, nanay. After ng emergency room, okay, paglabas, pagdating sa billing, namumutla ka na. Parang pati ikaw gusto mong pang-ER. Kasi yung billing, wala tayong pambayad. Tapos kukuha ka ng cellphone, tapos pangutang, tapos send to all contacts. Gagawa ng paraan. Minsan, di mo magawa ng paraan ng pera. Pag-join, pag-enroll sa Ascendra International, di magawa ng paraan. Pero kapag bayaran sa hospital, gagawa ng paraan kahit ano mangyari. Tama? Kaya nga, ladies and gentlemen, that's where it is. Hindi mo pagkapoy sa kanang malamig. Number one, napakarami po niyan. Napakarami na dadagdag sa poverty line. Alam mo, sabi lang, poverty line daw, when the family is earning on a daily basis at 100 to 150 pesos a day, poverty line. Imagine 1.5 million Filipino families na pupunta dyan every year because of hospital expense. Bakit daw? Kasi 44 to 46% of total health spending in the Philippines is out of the pocket. Ibig sabihin, almost kalahati ng lahat ng expenditure, billion-billion po yan, ng mga Pilipino sa ospital at saka sa kalusugan, out of the pocket. Pag sinabing out of the pocket, galing sa bulsa, galing sa income, galing sa salary, galing sa kinikita ngayon. So, hindi insured, hindi covered. Pag hindi kasi out of the pocket, ang nagbabayad dapat ng hospital mo, insurance company. Are you following? Insurance company. Sila nagbabayad, sila nag-indemnify ng inyong mga babayarin sa hospital. In fact, in the first world country, almost 80 to 90% po ang nagbabayad insurance. In fact, sa ibang bansa, in the first world countries, ang normal ka pag lumalabas ka ng bahay na hindi ka covered. Hindi ka insured. It's very unusual. Most of them, ang mindset kagad, pag hindi ka covered, kumuha ka na kagad. Especially when you reach this age. In fact, bata pa lang meron na. Pero sa Pilipinas, baliktad. Kapag kumuha ng insurance, nasus lang yan. Are you following? So baliktad. And that's the reason why, we are a developing country. That's the reason why maraming mahirap. That's the reason why tumataas yung poverty. Kaya, again, as a Central International Community, ang goal natin, ma-educate yung marami nating mga kasama dito. At dahil yun ang forte natin, marketing and education, we want to cascade this mindset para makatulong tayo mabawasan ang poverty line. Okay ba tayo doon? Okay ba tayo sa mission na makatulong ang buong Ascendra family, ang mga ascenders, from the name itself, ascenders tayo, mabawasan natin yung mga nasa poverty line? So it's part of our mission, no? So look at this. Only a small percentage have private coverage. Wala sila. Meaning most rely on, utang, ayuda, or yung pinaka-paborito natin, bahala na si Batman. Oh, bahala na. And again, they want to make you understand that the bahala na mindset, it's very ironic. Very ironic. Kasi yung bahala na mindset, makikita mo, yun yung mga tao na, yun yung mga tao na, happy-go-lucky lang. Yung walang stress, di ba? Pag nakita ka ng tao na bahala na mindset, feeling nila wala silang stress. Tama ba? Kaya very ironic eh. Kasi yung mga tao na ayaw ng stress, kaya bahala na Batman na lang, ang totoo, ang nangyayari, kabaliktaran, sila yung laging stress. Hello? Kaya kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na ayoko ng insurance kasi hirap ka, nakakaling ko pa, magbabayad pa ako, may monthly ako, may binabayaran ako. Ang hirap, masakit sa ulo niyan. Ayoko niyan, ayoko ng stress. Ayoko nang maging masyadong responsible sa ganyan. Ayoko nang isipin masyadong bahala na. Gusto ko carefree lang. Gusto ko happy-go-lucky lang, stress-free. Guess what? Kapag gano'n ang mindset mo, bahala na mindset, much actually will lead more to panic. Kabaliktaran siya ng peace. Wala kang kapayapaan. Pag may na-hospital, kabaka-baka ka. Pag may na-hospital, problemado ka, utang, kaliwat ka ng utang. So, it's actually not the sickness that destroys family. It's unpreparedness. Yung hindi pagiging handa. Kaya nga, yung insurance, the value of that, if you're thinking about it, if you're trying to mindset it, parang fire extinguisher, di ba? Marami tayong example yan eh. May mga fire extinguisher mindset, di ba? Yung fire extinguisher, hindi naman po natin pinagdadasal na magkasunog, pero lahat po ng properties, lahat ng establishment, mandated na magkaroon ng fire extinguisher. Now, Bureau of Fire yan, mandated yan. Bago mag-operate ng isang building, kailangan meron yan. Is it there para po abangan natin ang sunog? Hindi po. Nandyan yan kasi those are the things that it's better for us to have it when we don't need it yet than to need it and we don't have it. Yes? Yes, ano daw? English yun ha. Yun yung mga bagay na mas mabuti nang meron tayo nang hindi pa natin kailangan kaysa kailanganin natin, ha? Wala tayo. Parang ganito lang. Gusto mo bang sumakay? Free trip, no? Free trip to Shanghai. Oy! Sino yung mga magsashanghai dyan? Taas sa kamay! Ayan ha, excited din yung magsashanghai. Yung mga damit na ha. Nakabili na ng panglamig ha. Ilang degrees daw? Partner Mark, ilang degrees ang Shanghai ngayon? 8 degrees! Ako, Diyos ko ha. 8 degrees! Napasarap ha. Alam, parang 8 degrees, parang ka-center office lang naman yun. Walang lamig-lamig na opisina namin. So, di ba? So, yung imagine mo to. Free trip to Shanghai. Libre na. Libre. Back and forth, libre. Sasakay ka ng aeroplano. Yun nga lang, yung aeroplano sasakyan mo, walang life jacket, walang seat belt, walang oxygen mask. Sasakay ka hindi. Are you following? Kahit bigyan mo ng discount yan. Right? Kasi part ka na binabayaran mo, hindi ka sasakay. Walang peace of mind. Nakay ka na sa sakyan, walang seatbelt, walang airbag, hindi ka sasakay. So, same thing, same thing. And ang nakakalungkot, maraming Pilipino, they mindset more, they value more yung mga bagay na hindi masyadong kailangan kaysa yung ganitong preparation. In fact, maraming Pilipino nagmomotor, yung pumotor nila covered, pero sila hindi. Tama o tama? Ibig sabihin, mas importante pa yung motor mo kaysa sa buhay mo. Saka ng pamilya mo. Kaya, preparation. We want to mindset everyone about this. So, it's part of our mindset. No? Kaya sabi dito, P for prepare, because peace of mind is planned, not prayed for. So, pinaplano po ang peace of mind. Hindi po yan yung pinagdadasal. Okay? Ang kapayapaan, yes, pinagdadasal natin yan, pero most importantly, pinaplano po yan. Alright? Yan. And R, ayan, sabi nga, pro, R is response. So, now that we know the value of protection, now that we know the value of preparation, we want to respond to it. So, ang respond natin, don't just hope for the best. Respond with action. Kaya part of our action as a community is in Ascenda International, we partnered with one of the most reliable pagdating sa HMO, pagdating sa medical coverage, pagdating sa non-life, and that is Pacific Cross. Ayan. So, introducing, mga kaibigan, yung ating Ascend Health Plus. You've seen this poster? So today, ready na tayo to cover people. This is our newest medical insurance solution. It is an emergency medical insurance solution. So ang coverage po niya, kapag ito sa inyo, mamaya natin mag-usapan yung detalye, up to 150,000 medical benefit, okay, per year, sa loob ng isang taon, covering viral and bacterial illness, okay, accident and injury coverage, kasama rin po yan, okay, on top of your basic AI and premium AI, the personal accident insurance. Mamaya pag-usapan natin ang difference ng dalawa. Ang eligibility rate, okay, ito po, okay, ito very unique to. 15 to 65 years old, alright? Ang premium natin is 11,999. You know, most of the medical insurance or medical coverages at this age bracket, at this benefit coverage, okay, most of it ranging from 15, 16 to 20,000 plus. But for us, it's 11,999. Ang partner mo pa, Pacific Cross. Pwede, pwede. At ang pinakamaganda doon, we are covering people even more than 65 years old. Yun yung medyo unique doon. Because as a community, we value everyone. At 66 to 70 years old, meron din tayong coverage sa kanila. Magdadagdag lang sila ng konti. Same coverage, same benefits. 71 to 100 years old, may coverage pa rin yan. Most of the medical insurances and companies, they don't cover those age brackets anymore. Bakit daw? Kasi masyado lang risky, especially pagdating sa health. Okay? Pero dito, we still can cover them. Okay ba yun? Wonderful, alright? Oh, ano, may sinasabi si Director. Okay lang ba daw? Usog tayo, guys? Okay lang? Move forward tayo. Okay lang? Can we move one chair forward? Kasi yung mga nasa likod, nagkakapalitan na po ng buka. Lugi daw si Mario. Lugi si Mario kasi yan, thank you. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Just one sip. Okay, okay. Alright. Sige. Nandiyan po sa mga Zoom din. Move one seat forward sa mga nasa Zoom. Well, ka nasa Zoom, bugsog din eh, no? And, alright. Yaman na, sige, pakita natin. Alright, okay na nasa likod? Hindi na nagkakapalitan. Okay, good. Let's continue. So, these are the rates and the age brackets natin. And of course, eto na, ang members rebate, okay, is actually 2,000 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, if you're a member, instead of 11,999, lumalabas parang nasa 9,999 lang siya. Are you following? 10,000 pesos for members. Alright? Ang matindi doon, ang points, okay, may points siya, meron siyang value, no? Every coverage, merong unilevel value of 350, binary value of 50, and performance value of 200. Ayan. So may marketing plan din, yung umaakyat, no? Paakyat sa network, no? How to avail? Very simple. Pupunta lang tayo dyan sa insurance support desk natin sa harapan, sa counter natin. So currently right now, we are transacting over the counter. Sa mga malayo, pwedeng bank transfer. Basta makontak ka lang sa ating member support hotline. So, just visit or contact or communicate our insurance support desk for assistance and discussion kung may mga remaining questions ka pa. And of course, you just need to fill out the application form completely and accurately. So, bibigyan ka ng ating insurance support administrator ng application form so you can completely and accurately, just put the information doon and then settle your payment over the counter or bank transfer and then wait for your welcome email within 72 hours. Yung mag-receive ng email, nandun na po yung inyong electronic policy or yung e-card ninyo powered by Pacific Cross. Okay? So, yung po yun. So, yung electronic card or yung e-policy, nandun na lahat ng mga detalye or you can actually ask for the detail even before you fill up, even before you pay. You can ask for all the details, yung fine prints, wala pong problema dyan. But once you pay and you receive your personal e-policy and e-card, nandun na po yung electronic policy nyo, electronic card, pati number niyo. And then from there, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo paano yung availment if ever there is a sickness, illness, viral bacteria na kailangan mo nang i-avail sa hospital, meron tayong availment process mamaya. Okay ba yun? Ayan, didetali natin. Alright, so again, available siya over the counter, pero this is phase 1. Pero ang phase 2 natin ito, on the next coming few weeks na lang, kasi kausap lang natin kanina yung kahapon, tsaka kanina yung dev team natin from the IT team natin. Ang phase 2 nito, very soon, no? In the next few weeks, is online na rin po siya. So you can actually purchase it not over the counter anymore, but you can actually access that on your members portal. Okay ba? Parang nire-order na lang. Okay ba yun? Looking forward din na kasama rin to sa mga affiliate linking natin. Di ba? Yung affiliate link na pag nag-send ka ng affiliate link mo to your or shop link mo to your clients, yung clients mo makikita yung SRP price. And then when they purchase through online payment, automatic connected yun sa portal mo, sa members portal mo. So alam natin na sa iyo yung benta, papasok sa iyo yung rebate at saka yung points. Okay ba yun? You can share your link na lang. So, magkakasama yan. But as of now, over-the-counter tayo on our phase 1 for Ascend Health Plus. Okay ba? Yeah. So, ready na. Pwede kayong mag-avail or mag-contact lang sa ating insurance support. Kasi in fact, kasama natin ngayon yung ating mga insurance support administrator. Diyan si Ma'am Chris. Palakpakan naman. Tayo ka, Ma'am Chris. Ang pangilala kanila. Ayan, ito kasi yung Ross at saka si Miss Amber. Tayo ka naman, Ma'am Miss Amber. Ayan, palakpakan natin si Miss Amber. Mamaya, Ray will be joining us sa question and answer natin. Okay ba yun? Para tatlo kami tatanungin ninyo. Ayan, alright? So, yun po. So, ayan, moving forward. So, pakilala ko sa inyo, sino ba si Pacific Cross? Ayan. Gusto nyo ba makilala yung partner natin? Yes, syempre. So, Pacific Cross, they are a non-life insurance market specialist and HMO provider. They are actually ranked top 8 out of the 52 non-life insurance companies according to premiums earned. May iba't pa kasing ranking yan eh. May ranking ng premium earned, may ranking ng iba't iba yan, no? Iba't ibang category. Pero pagdating sa premium earned and net premiums written by the year 2024, they are top 8. Yan. Corporate performance, they have wrote over 2.7 billion of net premium, reached over 3.6 billion in assets, and 1.3 billion in net worth. But bakit ko natin pinag-uusapan yan sa mga insurance companies? Kasi this is actually a picture of stability, picture of credibility, picture of how big the pool fund is. Kasi like what I have explained to you, sino dito naka-attend na nung check-in 3, mastery on insurance coverage? Taas ang kamay. Yan. Sa mga naka-attend na, you now understand how the pool fund works in the insurance industry, right? I explained that to you, how important yung pool fund. Kasi, sige, daan natin ng konti. Okay ba sa inyo? Yes. Ayaw nyo pa. Yeah. Hindi pa kayo. Okay, so, di ba? If you will try to make insurance in layman, if you're trying to understand, kasi iba na yung kuguluhan, insurance, English, may napaka-technical, hirap-hirap intindihin. So, papasimplihin natin, in layman natin. Ang insurance is a combination of two very familiar words sa Tagalog. Abuloy at saka paluwagan. Sino familiar sa inyo sa paluwagan? Tayo sa kamay. Sino nakasubok na ng paluwagan? Di ba? High school pa lang ako, may paluwagan na kami sa FPU. Di ba mga classmate ko doon eh? Ano? Gagawin mo, paluwagan tayo pare. Sige, bibili tayong 90 shoes. So paluwagan, no? 500, tapos sino yung mauna, siya bibili ng sapatos. Ay, paluwin? Paluwagan. Siya yung una, tapos tuloy-tuloy na. Ang problema lang sa paluwagan pag hindi na nagbigay. Diba? Yung kawawa yung tulong-tulong. Okay, yun yung medyo imperfect sa paluwagan. Yung abuloy, sino pa mayroon sa abuloy? Alam niyo yung abuloy? Gusto niyo English pa. Sa English, pass the hat. Pass the hat, di ba? Yung, oy, pare, may trabaho tayo, may namatayan pass the hat naman tayo. Pass the hat, di ba? Ambag-ambag. Ay, following? Ang tawag doon, abuloy. Ginagamit ang abuloy kapag may mga unexpected events sa pamilya. May nagkasakit, may na-hospital, may namatayan, nag-aabuloy tayo. Are you following? Now, these two very simple terms, pag pinag-combine mo yan, that actually best describes what insurance is all about. Medyo simple lang ba? Para masimple pa natin. Ang insurance, how does it works? It's actually small amount of money, okay? Small amount of money being pooled, okay, combined and pooled into a one pool, alright? One fund. So, small amount of money combined para, again, itong buong pool fund na to, in any case, someone from those members na nag-invest or nagpasok ng pera or nag-abuloy or nagpaluwagan, nag-combine, small amount of money combined, all of these are members. Any one of that members, kailangan during unexpected event, mayroong lump sum of money that can be used to help that person. Are you following? Kaya, an insurance doesn't work without a group of people. Are you following? Kaya ang insurance, napaka-powerful niya kapag may community, kapag may organization, kapag may group of people. So actually, insurance just describes unity. Kaya nga perfect siya for network marketing. Kasi sa network marketing, best also describes how it works, how a community works. Tama ba? So ganun kaganda. Kasi maganda dito, ang kagandahan, when you are part of a Central International, hindi lang natututo tayo all together. Hindi lang tayo healthy all together. may financial protection pa tayo as a community all together. Are you following? So dito pala, kapag ikaw pala nagpa-cover, pag bumili ka pala ng Ascend Health Plus, at part ka ng Ascendra Full Fund na yan with Pacific Cross. Ibig sabihin, yung small amount of money, anytime may mga kailangan sa atin at may mga hospital sa kapamilya natin sa Ascendra, may pangtulong tayo. Kaya pag bumili ka ng coverage ng Ascend Health Plus or ng basic or A-Line Premium, automatically, covered ka na, nakatulong ka na, kumikita ka pa. Tama naman. So, if you're part of the community, if you're part of the community, nakatulong ka na, may natulungan eh. Kasi every now and then, may mga claim dyan. Tama ba? Kung hindi man, well, good. Pero ang important yun, nakatulong ka na, part ka ng community. Ikaw, covered ka, may peace of mind ka, may opportunity ka pa kumita. Is that good? Yeah. So ganun siya. That's how it works. No? So again, Pacific Cross is our partner. They are the ones indemnifying. Kaya importante yung mga numbers na yan kasi may kita mo that the full fund is actually strong. So it's actually strong kasi may mga capital infusions sila, meron silang capital fund. So very important yan sa full fund. Okay ba yan? Yan. Okay, so we are secured with that. Alright? Pangalawa, yan, tingnan natin. Pacific Cross, 75 years na sila. We are turning 76 years in the insurance industry. Golden Arrow Awards for corporate governance. So, alam natin na maganda ang pagpapatakbo ng kanilang negosyo, ng kanilang opisina. And scored well in ASEAN Corporate Governance Scorecard, ACGS metrics. So, alam natin na ang operations nila talaga naman pumasa sa mga sa Golden Arrow Awards.
Yung
so,
lang, yung ring na lang.
Yung premium rated. Again, ito yung mga numbers nila. 3.9 billion retail net premium, 6 billion pesos assets, 1.4 billion in net worth. So talagang secure yung full fund. Kaya pinapakita, these are public documents, public numbers, especially for insurance companies. Yan naman unang chine-check. Kasi baka mamaya, bukas pangalawa, maubos na yung fund. Are you following? Okay, importante yung mga numbers na yan. Are you learning so far? Okay, wonderful. Now, next, ito importante yung ISAFE, INESCO certification. So, this actually certifies that, our partner is actually reliable and credible. Okay ba yun? Yeah. So, talagang safe yung community natin. So, yun yung goal natin sa Ascender. Siyempre, pag Ascenders ka, importante, medyo may standards tayo. Okay ba yun? Hindi mo yung katabi mo, di mo? Mukha bang may standards yan? Parang doon pa. Parang doon na kasi katabi mo. Yung standards yan, yung partner yan, Pacific Cross. Ayan, ha? Ayan, so they have in-house 24/7 customer service. Viber chat group, committed liaison officer for us, Ascendra. Just imagine that, ha? May committed na liaison officer specifically for Ascendra International. Ayan. That is on top of our, insurance support administrator natin na nandito sa opisina sila mag-business misman. So, dedicated servicing agent. Ayan. So, napakaganda ng servisyo ng Pacific Cross para sa community. Alright? Quality healthcare. Clients get the quality of medical service that they need the most. Bakit? Number one. Eto! Grabe yan, no? Top 5 accredited major hospitals kasama po sa coverage natin sa Ascendra International. Sino yung mga top 5 major hospitals? Ayan, this good news is as Asian Hospital and Medical Center, Cardinal Santos Medical Center, St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City, and St. Luke's Medical Center, PGC or Global City. And of course, yung pinakamalapit dito sa Ortigas ngayon, the Medical City. Yeah. So, kasama ko yan sa mga coverage. Oh! Sabi ba, yes, kapag-check in nga, check in na. Logo. Kailangan mo mag-emergency room. So, ayan po, top 5. Okay, ano ba? Yung ating coverage has 31,984 accredited doctors. Tagal tayo sa Output Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. May doktor na mag-check up sa iyo. Ayan, ano ba? We have 426 accredited hospitals. Alright? Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao as well. But don't worry kasi pag di naman accredited yan, may reimbursement naman tayo. Alright? Ang may pag-usapan natin. And of course, 966 accredited clinics. Okay, is that good number? Good or very good? Very good. Yeah. All right. So, introducing, syempre, ang produkto, exclusive product ng Pacific Cross. Only for Ascendra International. Ascend Health Plus. Okay. So, ano daw si Ascend Health Plus? It's a basic ER coverage plus may kasama pang personal accident. Alright? So when you say ER coverage, ibig sabihin ang pinaka-point of contact ng ating Ascend Health Plus is emergency room. Alright? So technically, hindi ka pwede gumamit ng Ascend Health Plus na diretso ka sa clinics, doctor, outpatient. Okay? Kung gusto mong may nararamdaman ka, hindi maganda ang feeling mo, you go straight to any emergency room coming from the 400 plus 500 accredited hospitals and 900 clinics. Go to emergency room, yung po yun. Pwede tayong cover ng Ascend Health Plus natin. Okay ba yun? Yeah. Actually, when you go to emergency room, mas mabilis din ang services. Kasi nga, when you go to the ER, technically, talagang nandun yung mga, talagang pinakayan siya kagad, tapos nga, mag-assist kagad ang nurse sa'yo, talagang ma-cover kagad or magagawa kagad ng paraan, yung nararamdaman mo. Okay ba yun? Ayan, alright? So, ayan, Ascend Health Plus, age natin, ang age bracket natin, 15 days old, balot lang. Okay, 15 days old. Alright, so ibig sabihin kahit 1 year old and below, we can cover them with a Ascend Health Plus. Okay ba yun? Okay, kasi madalas din sa mga baby ng virus at bacteria. Tama ba? Okay, so 15-day-old pwede lang i-cover up to 65-year-old. Itong matindi. Tayo lang yung merong flexibility to cover up to sino ito gusto umabot ng 100 years old? Yes, di ba? 100, healthy, active, di ba? Tapos waiting period, ito yan. Take note, ha? Makinig pa muna eh. Upon receiving your e-policy or e-card, you'll have 15 days waiting or qualifying period before the effectivity of your coverage. So ganito po pagdating sa health coverage or sa medical coverage. Pero yung accident, walang 15 days. Is that clear? Ulitin ko ha. Pag-receive mo ng e-card, pag na-aksidente, pwede mo na gamitin yung Ascend Health Plus the next day. Pero dun sa viral and bacterial, pag-receive mo ng e-card, you need to wait 15 days before you can actually use the coverage. Okay ba yun? So, kasi hindi pwedeng nagkasakit at kalagdag kayo, tapos bumili ka ngayon ng Ascend Health Plus para i-cover yung lagnat po or yung sakit mo. Hindi pwede. So may 15 days. Alright? Yung po siya. So it's also part of the security natin. Kaya explain ko rin to para maintindihan nyo bakit kailangan ng mga limitations. Are you following? Kasi pag naiintindihan nyo yung pool fund, na may importante palang may pool fund pala, alam nyo ngayon na kailangan protected na yung pool fund. So we need to keep it fair as well. Okay ba yun? Kasi ang binabalansin natin sa pool fund na yan, yung risk ratio, yung probability na may maka-claim. So para automatic, alam natin, protektado lahat, yung talagang nangangailangan. Okay ba yun? Yan. Para hindi siya nakakabuso. Okay ba yun? Parang gusto nyo makabuso talaga. Okay. Dapat hindi na nakakabuso, right? So, yung kaya may waiting period siya na 15 days, no? Ang maximum benefit limit is up to 150,000 pesos for the whole year. Aggregate po siya. Pag sinabing aggregate limit, parang in layman term, parang consumable. Pero we don't use the word consumable kasi ayaw mo naman i-consume yung sakit lagi. Diba? So aggregate, ibig sabihin, nakagamit ka ngayon, within this year, nakagamit ka ng 20,000. So meron ka pang remaining na 130,000 aggregate limit. Okay ba yun? Yeah. Aggregate limit per year for the coverage of, ano to yung mga kino-cover niya? Viral, bacterial, and accident-related disabilities as an inpatient and emergency outpatient. Pag sinabing emergency outpatient, nagpunta ng emergency room, okay ka na sa emergency room, outpatient ka na, covered ka. Yung inpatient, nagpunta ka sa emergency room, tapos nadiretso ka sa confinement, ang tawag doon, emergency inpatient. Is that clear? Yes. Okay. Maliwanag yan, ha? Okay. So, hindi pwede yung hindi dumaan sa emergency room. Alright? Yung dumaretso kay doctor, hindi pwede. So, doctor's clinic din. So, again, emergency inpatient, nagpunta sa emergency room, and then, sinabi ng doctor, you need confinement, covered natin yan. Alright? Until confinement. Tapos yung emergency outpatient, yung emergency room lang, okay na siya. Pinauwi na. Okay? Clear? And claim settlement method, 100%. Okay, reimbursement not to exceed the plan limit or direct settlement by the company through its accredited network. So, pag accredited hospital, pakita mo na yung card mo. Okay na yan? Yung mga taga-Pacific Cross doon will, yung mga Pacific Cross employees natin or Pacific Cross partners natin will coordinate with the hospital. Okay? Kapag pakita mo yung card mo, may card number ka, may policy number ka. Pero pag hindi accredited yung hospital, reimbursement tayo. 100% basta up to the date. Clear? Okay. So may mga konting mga process and limitations. Pag inpatient tayo, hospitalization benefit, yung room and board including general nursing care, so as charged under ward category. So pag ikaw, personal choice mo nang magpaakyat ng room category, on top na yun, out of the pocket na yun. Maliwanag? Pag nagpalagay ka sa, gusto mo personal choice mo lang, magpunta sa private room, ayan, ano na yan, on top, out of the pocket na yan. Maliwanag? Pero, kapag doctor ang nagbigay, so sabi dito, if the nature of the medical condition requires isolation in a private room or other room category, automatic covered yan. Maliwanag? Okay, so kasama ang COVID-19. So for example, may virus ka talaga nakakahawa, ang sabi ng doktor, kailangan nasa private room to. Kasama yan sa coverage natin. Alright? Pero kung yung sakit mo naman, pwede naman sa ward, hanggang ward lang. So you share with others your sickness. Then joke lang. So yung ward lang tayo, di ba? So ward lang. Pero pag pwede naman magpataas, no? Pero out of the pocket na siya. O, clear? Pero pag prescribed ng doctor, then as charge yan. Miscellaneous inpatient charges for required diagnostic laboratory tests, di ba? Lahat ng lab tests, basta required ng doctor. Prescribed medicines, gamot mo. Physiotherapies, blood and components, even anesthesia and surgical appliances, kasama sa coverage as charge. Kung magkano ang charge ng hospital, covered yan ng Ascend Health Plus natin. Okay ba yun? Attending physician's visit, ang daily visit fee, may limitation. Okay? So, syempre, di ba, pag hospital ka, na-inpatient ka, di ba, everyday, doon silip yung attending physician mo. Kaya may mga rate po yan. Talagang minsan, di ba, pag nasubukan niyo pa ma-confine, o nasubukan ko ma-confine, yung pumatok lang yung doktor, sabi ko, kaya magaling ka na. Wang fine yun! Joke lang, joke. So, yung po, no, wang fine, covered po yun. Covered yun, ha? Yung mga bisita ng doktor, covered po yan. Tapos, specialist fee for 10 days for each disability for a year to a day limit of 1.5. So, pag ito, pag specialist, pero kasi mga doctors ang visit sa'yo, kailangan ng specialization. Like, for example, cardio. So yan, pag mga cardiology doctor, specialization na po yan. Yeah, yan. So specialization, hindi siya general practitioner or GP. So pag mga ganun, technically, hindi siya yung attending physician mo, kinailangan siya because yung case mo medyo, medyo unique or may kailangan specialization ng doctor na mag-check sa'yo. So cover them up to 10 days. For 10 days for each disability. Pag sinabing each disability, bawat disability kasi may specialized doctor. Nakuha niyo? Yeah. So kaya itong disability nito, may kailangan ng orthopedic kasi nabalihan ka, aksidente ka. So automatic, maximum of 10 days, 1.5 per visit. So dapat on the 11th day, magaling na mahilog na yung sugat mo. So ano po, hanggang 10 days lang siya. Okay? For disability, for the whole year. Okay? Ayan, for a limit of 1.5. Ayan. Clear ba? Okay, naiintindihan ha? Ayan. Critical care benefit, cover din natin yan. So, pag na-ICU ka, yan, di ba? Huwag naman sana. Coronary care unit or telemetry, maximum of 10 days per disability per year. Okay? So, merong maximum as charge po yan, covered natin yan. Okay, per disability yan ha. So, ibig sabihin, for example, na-hospital ka ngayon, na-ICU ka because of COVID-19, covered natin yung 10 days mo doon. Basta pasok doon sa 150,000 pesos. Maliwanag? Ano ka na, napalabas ka na, magaling ka na. Okay? Within 1 year, napunta ka naman sa coronary care unit or the same ICU, pero ibang case naman. Hello? Ibang virus naman, di ba? Ibang bacteria naman, di ba? Na-amoebiasis ka naman, for example. So, another 10 days po yun. Maliwanag po yun? Another 10 days po yun, alright? So, as charge po yan, alright? Per disability. Yun yung sabihin lang per disability per year. Hanggang hindi maubos yung 150,000 na limit. Okay, yan. Maliwanag. Surgical benefits, operating theater and recovery room. Ayan, as charge din siya. Yung buong surgery room, kasi may bayad po yan. Operating theater, pag pinoperahan ka, as charge. Surgeon's fee, ayan, may limit tayo. Okay, so surgeon's fee, the amount to be covered is based on the total fees of the surgeon, including pre-surgical assessment and normal post-surgical care, what the insured person is confined up to a per disability per year limit. Pag, ulit pag nakita nyo lang yung per disability per year, ibig sabihin, per particular surgery, up to 30,000, ang surgeon's fee. Professional fee ng surgeon yun, up to 30,000 ang limit. Within 1 year, hindi pa ubos yung 150 mo. Nagkaroon ulit ng another surgery. May another 30,000 kung ibang disability naman. Maliwanag po? Clear. Alright? Yan. Yun yung per disability per year. Anesthesiologist, laging magkatandem kasi yan. Hindi ka pwedeng i-surgery ng walang anesthesiologist. Subukan ko. Pwede naman. Okay, so pag ang anesthesiologist mo is up to 12,000. Okay? So yan po. Ganun din. Not to, by the way, may nakalagay dyan, no? Not to exceed 40% of the approved amount payable to the surgeon up to a per disability per year limit of 12,000 pesos. So, 12,000 or not exceeding 40% of the surgeon's fee, whichever is higher, no? Yung po yun. So, yung po yung ating anesthesiologist. Alright, clear? Sa emergency, pwede ka rin dental service. May dental service tayo due to a covered accident, 5,000 pesos. O yan, may nakabili po ng package, palakpakan naman natin, narinig niyo ba? Pag may bumibili po ng package, may celebration tayo, ha? Mamaya, para bumili, ha? Ayan, so emergency dental service, 5,000. Emergency outpatient, up to per disability per year limit of 5,000. Okay, ibig sabihin, again, outpatient ka sa emergency room, per disability, may up to 5,000 pesos ka sa emergency room expenses. Emergency local ambulance service, ganoon din, per disability per year, 5,000 pesos ang covered natin. And then personal accident benefit, coverage for accident death of 5,000. So makikita nyo to, hindi siya nakadesign talaga for accident death. Nakuha nyo? Imagine mo accident death, no? 5,000. Tama ba to? 5,000 makris, no? Tama to 5,000 pesos, no? Accident death. Kaya nga po kailangan ng basic AI and premium AI. Maliwanag ba yun? Kasi ang hindi kino-cover ng Ascend Health Plus, yung hospitalization covered. Pero hindi niya kino-cover pag natuluyan. Pag natuluyan, 5,000. Kaya dapat pag aksidente at natuluyan, meron kang basic AI and premium AI. Parang may pang-continuity yung family. Diba? May 1.5 pag premium, may 750 pag basic. Okay. Tinatawa-tawa nyo, it's happening. Ha? Kailangan niya importante yun. Again, preparation. Right? Yan. Next. Ayan, ito na. Availment process. So, may mga tanong kayo. Mamaya, pag-usapan natin sa Q&A, pakisulat yung mga tanong. Availment process natin. Ayan, no cash out. Dalawa po yan. May no cash out outlay emergency room treatment. Emergency room lang muna. Hindi pa siya i-confine. So, gagawin mo lang, in short, pupunta mo, proceed to a PC accredited medical provider or ER department, whatever hospital na accredited natin. And then ensure to present an SMS or email confirmation. Kahit pakita mo lang yung email mo. Are you following? Pakita mo lang sa emergency room yung e-card mo, yung email, naman receive mo. Okay na po yun. Alright? Hindi mo na kailangan ng hard copy card. Okay ba yun? Yan. So, pag low-mat ka, magpa-print ka ng card mo. Ayan. So, yun po yan. So, identification card for verification purpose. And then from there, yung ensure to present the valid ID. So, kailangan lang syempre, after mo present yung e-card mo, yung email mo, present ka rin ng valid ID para ikaw talaga yun. Maliwanag? Kailangan may dala kang valid ID. Okay? Whatever valid ID, company ID, SSS, driver's license, etc. And then, yung ating PC or Pacific Cross will conduct a policy and benefit verification upon the receipt of the call. And then, makipag-coordinate na po sila sa hospital personnel. And then, once verified, yung Pacific Cross personnel natin will provide manual approval coverage limit to the hospital personnel. And then that's where they will actually proceed na to the laboratory test. So, i-explain po yan. Doon naman sa, based on na-explain ko rin kanina, i-explain lang po ng hospital personnel sa inyo doon. Naman dito po yung mga covered po based on your case. Dito po sa emergency room. And then dito po yung coverage. Ito po siya. Okay po ba kayo? Ayan. Pag hindi okay, mahal. Ito po ka na. Diretso ka na. So, pag okay po. Tapos yun po, okay, diretso na. Diretso ka na to proceed to laboratory tests and the treatments. Okay ba yun? So, relax na yan. And then, ensure to sign the necessary documents lang and you will be discharged upon settlement of any amount in excess of the year benefit limit at the hospital cashier. Now, dito makikita mo, meron lang dyan, i-avoid niya yung manual approval. That is if yung emergency na mo, tutuloy ka sa confinement. Kasi hindi ka papasok dito sa emergency room treatment lang. Doon ka sa kabila. Saan? Dito. Yan. No cash outlay inpatient. Pag sinabing no cash, wala kinalabas na pera. Right? Basta accredited hospital. And you've seen a while ago, napakaraming accredited hospital. Kasama yung top 5. Diba? St. Luke's, Medical City, diba? Cardinal Santos. Yan. So, yung po, So, pag inpatient ka na, ganun din. Punta ka lang ulit sa emergency room, di ba? Accredited medical provider or emergency room, di ba? Pag need ka to confinement, pakita mo lang ulit yung email mo or yung SMS nung natin sa inyo ng Pacific Cross at ang Ascend Health Plus. And then pakita mo lang yung valid ID mo. And then yung Pacific Cross personnel will coordinate with the hospital personnel. And then once verified, yung PC personnel will inform the hospital of the membership eligibility and to report the admission to the PC liaison officer. May liaison officer sila sa mga hospitals for monitoring and LOA issuance upon hospital discharge. So, hindi mo na problema yan. Basta diretso ka nang magpagamot, no? Magpahinga ka na. And then from there, sa discharge na po, aayusin yung LOA. Okay ba yun? So, upon hospital discharge, pag discharge ka na, the Pacific Cross liaison, bibisitahin ka lang ng Pacific Cross doon, to issue the LOA. So, yan. Siyempre, bisitahin ka pag magaling ka na, nakakindi ka na nun. Yan, ha? So, the hospital that insured is to sign necessary documents and will be discharged upon settlement of any amount in excess. Yan ay sumobra. Okay, so, siyempre, mag-discharge ka kapag nabayaran mo yung in excess. Okay, kung may PhilHealth ka, papatong pa yan dyan. Tama, no? Miss Chris, no? Tama, on top of the PhilHealth to. Tama ba? So, so, ito yung bill mo, minus PhilHealth, minus 150,000, whatever the coverage is na kapasok. Kaya kung ano lang yung matira, in excess, yun lang pabayaran mo. Diba? Baka bumili ka ng ano pala, ng hamon, di ba? Bumili ka ng nagpa-candy ka doon, sa pizza. So, ikaw bahala, yun yung sobra. So, yun po, covered po tayo. Okay ba yun? So, ito yung availment. Maliwanag ba yung availment?
Yes.
Simple, di ba? Very, easy, no? And efficient. Okay. So, pag reimbursement, ganoon lang rin. Pag reimbursement naman, punta ka sa kahit anong hospital, kahit na hindi accredited. Alright? Punta ka lang sa kahit hospital kahit hindi accredited, pagpagamot ka na kagad, kung magkano yung sisingilin sa'yo, bayaran mo, syempre, pagbawas mo na yung PhilHealth, then bayaran mo yung hospital bill and the other fees, secure all the requirements listed in the NOC form or notification of claim form, then file for reimbursement. Okay? So, ipapile mo yung reimbursement, syempre, pag magaling ka na. Kasi hirap naman nun, nagpapagaling ka pa, nagpapile ka na. Pero maganda po doon, pwedeng picturean lang muna. Hello? Ulitin ko kahit actually na long after discharge, medyo kailangan po pahinga sa bahay, okay lang, picturean mo lang yung mga hospital bills, yung mga requirements, pwede na natin simulan yung processing para mas mapabilis. Okay ba yun? Yan, di ba? Picture lang and okay na. Alright, soft copy is okay. Alright, so ano yung mga claim requirements kapag reimbursement? Ulitin ko ito pong claim requirements, kailan lang po ginagamit? Kapag accredited or non-accredited? Okay. Okay, may claim requirements lang kapag reimbursement. Kasi kapag wala namang reimbursement, wala nang claim requirements. Kasi pinakita mo lang yung card. Okay? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Ayan. So, yun po. So, for inpatient claims, ito lang yung mga basic requirements natin. So, duly accomplished NOC form. Yung mga pangalan lang doon, mga personal details and everything. Original official receipt of all payments made. Lahat ng binayaran mo. Drug prescription from the attending physician, syempre. Admitting medical history, kung anong illness yan, para i-review nila kung covered. Discharge summary report, di ba? The statement of account, supporting charge slips of statement of account doon sa hospital, in case of the hospital has no itemized SOA. Copy of result ng mga laboratory mo, X-ray, kahit Xerox lang. So ito kahit soft copy. Alright? You don't need to make it hard copy. Ulitin ko soft copy. Tama no, Ms. Macris? Or yes. Okay, soft copy is okay. So you can actually take a picture, scan mo, padala mo. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta dito kahit na medyo papagaling-galing ka pa, hindi na kailangan. Pwede po yan kahit soft copy. Okay ba yun? Di ba? If surgical procedure was done, copy of the operative report, syempre. Tsaka yung histopathology report, di ba? Information of the nature and extent and stage of illness. So for injury, as a result of an accident, may mga basic requirements na tayo for inpatient claims. Tapos, ganoon lang rin. Kapag sakit, viral and bacterial reimbursement sa mga non-accredited hospitals. Kapag accident naman, ganun mo lang ulit, ito lang ulit, tapos copy of the police report lang. Yun lang ang difference. Kapag accident, kailangan ng police report or incident report. Okay? Either IR or police report. Doon sa pangyayari na aksidente. Diba? So, kailangan lang yun. Okay? In the event of the death of the member, syempre, copy of the registered death certificate. Okay? If applicable, requirement for inpatient claims, tsaka copy of police report. Ayan. Okay, yun lang po. Yun lang yung ating mga claim requirements. Ayan, meron pala. For outpatient claims, meron din tayo pag sa emergency room lang. O, ganun lang. NOC form lang kapag yung emergency room hindi accredited, di ba? Original official receipt ng payments mo, pwede mo i-reimburse lahat yan. Basta up to the 150,000 limit. Okay? So, if applicable, copy of the done prescription from the attending physician. Kung hindi accredited yung physician na kinausap mo, sana totoong doktor yun. Okay, so, copy of request for laboratory x-ray and other diagnostic exam. Okay? In case of outpatient operation was done, copy of the operative report. No? Saan ka ba nagpapa-opera, no? In case of outpatient operation, no? Sa labas na po, hindi accredited yung na pang-operahan niya. Alright? For injury as a result of an accident, ganun din. Copy of police report. Alright? So, ito, take note, ha? Ang turnaround time for the claiming, okay? No reimbursement. Kapag reimbursement, kapag hindi accredited, hindi ko alam kung sa hospital po ba yan. Basta pag hindi accredited, ang turnaround time ng reimbursement, 30 working days upon submission of complete requirements. So, ulitin ko, kahit soft copy. So, kahit basta mapadala mo na yung soft copy, gagalaw na yung 30 days. Okay ba yan? So, kunyari, may 5 days ka pa, paglabas mo hospital, so may nagiging ka. On or before yan. Hindi naman po sasagarin yung 30 days na yan. Yung iba nga, parang 7 days or less, they're actually getting their reimbursements from them. Basta kompleto yung sinabit na requirement. Pag kulang naman, tatawagan din naman ang ating insurance support hotline or insurance support administrator to tell you ano yung mga kulang. Okay, para makompleto. Okay ba yun? Alright. So, ito reimbursement. Pero kapag accredited hospital, automatic, pakita lang yung card. Okay? Ganun lang kasi simple. Ayan. So, yun. So, again, ito yung ating mga contact details ng ating partner. Headquarters natin. Tapos yung ating contact person. Ayan po, si Mama Chris. Ayan. Pag nadalaw po kayo sa Rockwell Building, sa Hinay, galing po kami sa office nila last time. Napakaganda po ng opisina talaga. Alright, so at the same time, yan, telephone number po ni Ms. Macris, okay? And ang email address po niya at ascendhealthsupport@ascend-ai.com, and then Viber number, parehas sa telephone number, and of course, the 24/7 customer service. So again, full service para sa mga taga-Ascendra International. Ayos ba? Ayos ba? Ayos. Okay, so ito, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Some of the unique value of Ascend Health Plus comparing to others. Alright? Illness coverage, yung iba, separate illness only plans. So, particular illness lang, yung dalawang limitations niya. Just bibili mo, isa. Kaya makikita kayo mga mas mura. May makikita kayo, patang mura naman nun. Bakit 3,000 lang? Bakit 4,000 lang? Medical coverage din. Basahin niyo po yung mga clauses. Are you following? Basahin nyo yung ins and outs ng fine prints. Very important. Kailangan i-explain din ng ganito, detalyado. Dapat ganito rin po kalupit yung nag-i-explain. Joke lang. Joke lang, hirap po yun. Joke lang. So, ang ulit ito, pag mga mura, kasi nga, makikita nyo dun sa process nila, naka-separate illness lang siya for specific illness. Kaya mura. So, pag bibili ka ng marami, para covered ka ng lahat. Are you following? Eh, hindi mo naman alam kung ano doon yung alam mo kung COVID pa to, bibiasis pa, mabili ka lang, ano ba sakit dito? So, yun. So, ito po, covering everything. Covering more viral, bacterial, and accident. Okay ba yun? Okay, yan. Okay? Age limit, most of them up to 65 lang. Or even less. Okay, tayo, up to, may 15-day-old pa. Di ba? Ako nga akala ko 15 years old yun. Ang totoo, akala ko 15 years old to 100. Nagulat ako, 15-day-old. Sabi ko, pwede pa lang ba nun? Hindi pala. So, galing ko lang sa Patayaros sa Airlines. So, 15-day-old, pwede ko 15 days old up to 100 years old. Grabe, no? Powerful. Ayan. Partner, local or unknown. So, ito, I want to highlight this. Pag pinagtanong sa'yo, bakit yung sa kabila mas mura? And guess what? Look at the partner. Hello? Look at the partner. Yung kagad, tanong mo, sino provider? Yung kagad. Patang mura, sino provider niya? Pag tinanong mo Ascend Health Plus, sino provider? Pacific Cross. Alam niyo, Pacific Cross po is one of the most, nasa high-end tier ng medical coverage yan. In fact, we're very fortunate and very blessed. Kasi ito international, talagang hindi namin alam bakit. Like what we've been telling you, even the CEO is even telling you, CSO is telling you, CFO is telling you, divine intervention talaga. Yung mga partners natin minsan talagang, ilalagay talaga, piniplace talaga ni Lord. Alam mo, nakakatuwa. Kasi, let me tell you the truth, no? I just want to tell you the truth. I've been searching for a partner for quite some time, no? Even before. Pero, di ko alam bakit sa Ascentra International, everything is being put into places. And I'm telling you the truth, no? Talagang amazingly, ang Pacific Cross is one of the partners kasi na nasa high-end tier. Kaya I was actually not expecting, out of all the companies that I'm talking to, we were talking to, no, kasama yung mga founders natin. I was not actually expecting Pacific Cross kasi nasa high-end tier eh. And technically, with the dynamics of our community, medyo, syempre ang dynamics, may high-end, may mid-end, may low-end, are you following? So, ini-expect ko talaga mahirapan tayo makakuha ng medyo affordable na coverage na ganito katindi kung magsaservisyo sa atin. Are you following? In fact, ang Pacific Cross po, meron silang product, ang tawag Macris Blue Royal, tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Ang Blue Royal po, for executives, almost magkano premium? Depende, no? Depende kasi very comprehensive. It's very, very comprehensive. Pero I was so amazed kasi yung Blue Royal product ng Pacificos, grabe po, pang high-end talaga. Ang kino-cover niya, lahat ng alam mo sakit, kahit anong mangyari sa'yo, covered ka, walang limitation. Halos walang limitation, no? Very comprehensive. Kahit sa ibang bansa. Ang matindi doon, pati supplementation. Nagulat ako doon eh. May funds for supplementation. Tama ba, Chris? No? Parang may monthly kang allowance for supplements para healthy ka. So, hindi lang siya pa nagkasakit, pati yung health and wellness mo kasama. So, binabayaran mo yun as one every year para may regular kang padala ng pati fitness mo. Pati yung, grabe, talagang hindi ka pwedeng magkasakit pag may nakakagano'n ka. So gano'n ang market nila. Million nila ng premium, gano'n ang market. Pero we're very, very blessed na, with this provider, nabigyan tayo ng very competitive and very, high-valued coverage. Ascendral Plus. And para po yan exclusively sa Ascendra International Academy. Okay ba yun? Yeah. Alright. And of course, yung backing na ito naman ang walang makakapantay dyan. Pag tinanong ka pa, ano bang difference dito? Pacific Cross, maganda nga, high-end ka. Oo nga, 65 years old. Ano pa bang iba? O, syempre, ang backing po sa iba, individual agent. Tanong mo, sino nag-share sa'yo? Yung agent ko. Yan, sabi ko yan. Dito sa amin, kasama ko, buong Ascendra community. Tama ba? Hindi lang naman sa protection, yung pagiging parte, yung pagiging kasama sa community ng Ascendra International, dyan walang papantay po sa coverage na yan. Because anyone would love to be part of a community na talaga namang magaan, ang taas ng energy. Is that right? Everybody wants that. Kaya yun din dapat ang i-project natin as ascenders. As ascenders, we need to make sure, one of the major ways to make people join you is, one of the main need of a human being. We are social beings kasi human beings are designed to be social beings. We are designed to connect. We are designed to belong. Kaya pag tayo, masarap, positive lagi yung grupo ninyo, lagi kayo nakangiti, lagi kayong maganda ang pinag-uusapan, pangarap, di ba? Guess what? People outside will be love to belong with you. Will love to belong with us. Is that right? Pero usapan yung problema. Right? Kasi, may bago naman tayo. May open naman tayo. Puro problema, puro reklamo, pinag-uusapan mo. Kahit sinong prospect sa labas ipitahin mo, hindi talaga sasama sa'yo. Are you following? Kung puro na lang iyakan, puro na lang problema. So again, let's shift the perspective. This time you are in Ascendra. We want to ascend to a new era. Gusto natin paggaan rin at pasayahin. We want to earn happy money, not crying money. Okay ba yun? Ang Panginoon ng mga katuloy. Yan ang one of the values that we have here. Alright? Yan. Okay, now again, moving forward. Alright? Then sabi dito, R for respond because caring means doing something about it. Pag sinabi mo, I care about you, you need to take action. Pag sabi mong I love you sa asawa mo, dapat naka-ascend health class. I love you man ang I love you sa girlfriend mo. Bilang mo ng coverage. Diba? I love you. I care for you. Wala ka namang acceptable class. Diba? Because again, caring means doing something about it. So if you care about your children, if you care about your life, if you think your life is valuable enough, then you need to cover yourself as a health class. Okay ba yun? Wonderful, alright? And of course, class, O, para maging pro in protection, di ba? To be pro in protection, P is for, nalimutan mo, oh God. P is for, R is, and O is to, O through protection begins when you take ownership for yourself, for your family, and your mission. You want to own 3 roles to own, no? Meron kang 3 roles. Remember, as an ascender, you're not just selling coverage. You are sharing peace of mind. Okay ba yun? Kapag share natin ang Ascend Health Plus, ang sinishare mo, peace of mind. Kapayapaan ng isip. Yung pag may nagkasakit sa pamilya, wala silang isipin. Kasi talagang may mag-aalaga. Remember this. Kahit anong status ng buhay ng katabi mo, kapitbahay mo, ng prospect mo. Mayaman, mahirap, middle class, government official, ano man yan. Are you following? Kahit ano bang status niyan, maniwala ka sa akin. People are always most vulnerable during emergencies. Kahit anong status, kahit sobrang yaman, are you following? Kapag may emergency, pag nagkasakit, they are in the most vulnerable moment. Tama o tama? Kahit ano kaya, kahit gano'n ka maraming pera, kapag may sakit, nagkaroon ng emergency, they are in the most vulnerable, most panic moment. And when they are in that moment, that's the time they need a real partner. That's the time they need someone they can rely on. They need someone that can take care of them truly. Are you following? Doon papasok yung partner, tunay na partner sa pag-asenso. Are you following? Kaya tayo ka-partner. Kasi dapat maramdaman niya ng mga kausap natin. Okay ba yun?
Yeah.
Maramdaman niya na, even whatever status you have, you are most vulnerable during the times of need, no? And ang kailangan mo ka-partner. Ito, kaya natin kayo Ascend International with Pacific Cross, right? So, ang role mo, 3 roles to own. Own your protection. Importante ikaw muna. Get covered personally. Because again, whether we like it or not, kahit anong believe mo dito, kahit anong share mo dito, kapag ikaw mismo, hindi believer nito, mahihirapan tayo dyan. Are you following? Sa politiko, di ako magsasawang conflicted, energy can never lack. Kung mararamdaman ng taong kausap mo, pag nagkukwento ka lang para makakota, nagkukwento ka lang para makabenta. Are you following? Pero pag nagkukwento ka, kasi you want to share to him what you are experiencing, ang tawag doon hindi na sales. Ang tawag na doon, sincerity. Are you following? Nasubukan niyo na ba? Yung baka punta ka sa isang napakagandang lugar. Tapos pag uwi mo, yung mga kaibigan mo, never pa nakapunta doon. Tapos nagkukwento ka. Na-experience mo na? Na-experience mo nakakain ka ng sobrang sarap na pagkain. Tapos yung kaibigan mo, yung asawa mo, yung mahal mo sa buhay, hindi ka niya natitikman. Tapos kinukwento mo sa kanya. Alam mo, pag ni-record kita habang nagkukwento ka, ang tindi ng pagkukwento mo. Yung pagkukwento mo, parang nandun talaga kayo. Marami pa rin sa kanyang carne, pero sa internet, parang sarap! Grabe maris sa Japan, grabe talagang lamig! Tama ba? Pag nakapunta kasi sa lugar, kasi magkwento ka sa tao, alam mo, bakit ganun ka magkwento? Ang lakas mo makabenta. Parang mo sa akin, bakit? Kasi nagkukwento ka hindi na parang sa sarili mo. Kasi galing ka na dun eh. Nagkukwento ka hindi na parang sa sarili mo kasi natikpan mo ni. Nagkukwento ka na, hindi ka na nakapokus sa sarili mo. Nagkukwento ka na, nakapokus ka na dun sa pangusap mo. Remember, suffering starts when you focus on yourself. And all blessing starts when you focus on others.
Yes.
Pag nakapokus ka sa iba, tanggal yung takot, tanggal yung duda, tanggal yung fear of rejection. Kasi hindi na ikaw iniisip mo yung kausap mo na. Kaya lalabas yung potential mo. Kaya best skills in sales is actually not the scripts that we will tell you here, but the best skill in sales is sincerity. Kaya pag sincero ka sa sinasabi mo kasi alam mo ang value nun, ramdam ng kausap mo yun. Are you following? Kaya importante, ikaw muna, covered ka, ramdam mo yung peace of mind with Ascend Health Plus para maging effective ka sa pag-share nito. Okay ba yun? Next, on the advocacy. So, ang goal natin, no? Hindi lang makabenta, ulitin ko, ang goal mo is the advocacy to educate and empower others. Babalik ako dun sa preparation, dun sa numbers. Gano'ng karami? 15.5 million Filipino families na pupunta sa poverty line. 75 to 100 pesos a day living. Why? Because of hospital expenses. Kaya yung hindi pag-share ng Ascend Health Plus, kaibigan, it's a disservice for the Filipino community. Are you following? Disservice yan. Kaya talagang gawin mo tong responsibilidad na i-share. Okay ba yun? Ilagay mo sa balikat mo, kailangan ko makashare today ng Ascend Health Plus kasi pag hindi, matatagdagan ng manira sa Pilipinas. Okay ba yun? So, i-share natin. Okay? So, own the advocacy. And third, own the mission. Own the mission. Build a culture that values life and smart finance. Yan ang goal natin. Ito ang mission. Parte ko ng mission ng Ascendra International Family as an Ascender, Ascend to a new era, is to create a community of network leaders na hindi lang malakas kumita, pero mga network leaders na may kultura that they value life and they are very smart in their finances. Okay ba kayo doon? Okay ba kayo na hindi lang tayo basta makilala bilang sports car, hype, baliwan, hello? Okay ba kayo na hindi makilala ang Ascendra International na puro lang vroom? Are you following? Sa kapunta, to the moon. Skr, subway. Okay. Gusto mo ng sample, ha? Tama ba? Ayaw natin makilala sa ganun. Kasi typical networking yun eh. Are you following? Kasi typical MLM. Mababalo sa resulta, sa sports car, pero kami utang. Tama. Pambabali sa travel, kung saan, pero pag-uwi, kapnoodles ulang. Are you following? So we want to create a community na gaan ng negosyo. Kasi dito, we are smart in our finances. People here, mga kaibigan, we have a culture that we value life. We value life. More than material things. We value life. We value our family. We value our loved ones. We value our own life. Okay ba nun? Yun yung gusto natin. So own that mission. Own the protection. Own the advocacy. Own the mission. These are 3 roles. Three hats. 3 sombrero na susuotin namin whenever we will offer a Ascend task. Can we do that, guys? Can we commit on that, guys? Welcome to the world of Ascenders. That is the Ascenders world. So, just to remind you, ito po, makita nyo to sa list of 2. No? Sa list of 2, meron po to. Ito yung mga paraan kung paano i-offer yung solution natin ng Ascendra International or yung financial protection in particular. If you want to look for prospects, ang tawag dito targeting. Pakisabi ka targeting. Kasi kaya tayo may iba't ibang solusyon. Kasi tinutulungan tayo ng Ascendra na hindi tayo mag-prospect ng shotgun. Hello? Marami kasing marketers, pag nag-prospect, shotgun, pahalan na, basta yayaman. Lahat ng kausap ang latag, pare-parehas. Lahat ng kausap ng latag, yayaman. Kikita. Are you following? May mga mag-join sa'yo ng ganyan. Pero meron din yung mga hindi ka papansinin kasi ganun ang latag mo lagi. Ganun ang approach mo lagi. So may iba't ibang tinatawag na niche. Pakisabi niya, niche. May iba't ibang market. Are you following? So targeting, focusing on a target or segmentation and targeting is not actually limiting your market. It is actually making you more efficient and effective. Are you following? Kasi pag hindi ka nag-targeting, ang tsura mo, parang ang sinag ng araw. Lahat kita ka, pero ang babaw. Are you following? Kapag nag-targeting ka, nahanap mo yung particular micro-community or market na target mo, at alam mo kung paano mo yung position yung sarili mo, kasi alam mo yung solution na i-offer mo sa market na yun kasi kailangan niya talaga yun. Ang tsura mo, hindi ka parang sinag ng araw. Ang tsura mo, parang kang laser. Ang bilis mo makasunog. Are you following? Ang bilis mo maging effective. Ang bilis mo makaklose ng deal. Are you getting my point? So targeting is not actually limiting your market. Kasi ibang mindset nila, pag nag-targeting kasi tayo, pinapaliit natin yung market natin. Hindi po. Pag nag-targeting ka, inaalam mo yung market mo, paano mo yung position sa sarili mo, mas nagiging efficient and effective ka. Are you following? So that's how we do it. So may iba tayong solusyon. Aralin mo yung bawat solusyon natin at alamin mo kung anong market ang kailangan ng solusyon na yun at yun yung i-focus mo. 3 months, focus natin financial protection. Hello? Itong hub na to, may 10 hub ka, yung 4 na hub, i-focus mo. Financial protection, itong target market, micro-community, itong tono natin, itong mga content natin. Hello? Sigurado ako sa iyo, makakatapos ka. Ang maganda sa targeting, nag-ripple effect. Pag sabi nga, ripple effect. Kasi pag nag-target ka ng micro-mobility, for example, ginarget mo senior citizens. Tanong, pag nakatagos ka sa senior citizens, kumalit ka, doon pa ng million-million na eh. Hello? Tanong, yung mga senior citizens, may apo ba? Yes. Yung mga senior citizens, may mga anak ba? Yes. Yung mga senior citizens, may kapitbahay ka, church, kamag-anak? Yes. May kakalat ka rin. Are you following? Yes. So targeting is not actually limiting your market, but targeting is making yourself more effective and efficient in your marketing. Alright? So, ito yan, para makita mo yung target market na perfect for financial protection. Ito sa pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, hanapin mo yung pain and problem. Pain and problem, maraming Pilipino ang underinsured, breadwinners na laging at risk, bigla ang medical o accident expense. Anong potential? Peace of mind. Seguridad. So, ito ang mga content mo. Hello? Kung ito ang pain and problem, dito ikot yung content mo. Are you getting my point? And then ang call to action mo, dito ikot sa Ascenta Solution of Financial Literacy Programs. Abot kayang insurance solution, both accident and medical. Okay ba yun? So dito ikot, content mo. Ang content mo, more on peace of mind, more on financial literacy, financial management, budgeting, smart finance, hello? Content mo, ayan, puro mga pang-breadwinner. I get my point? Yan. Makaka-target ka. Sino mga micro-community mo? Eto. Young professionals without insurance. Dami yan. Dami yan. Breadwinners. Kasi pag breadwinner, importante insure yan. Kasi ano ganun mangyari dyan, kawawa yung mga bread-eaters. Tama ba? Pag may nangyari sa breadwinner, kawawa ang bread-eater. Kaya importante insure ang breadwinner. Ano ba? Ayan, no, dati yan, no? Riders, drivers, gig workers, mga lagi nasa labas. Tayo yan eh. Hello? Hi. Kailangan insured ka. Kasi pag may nangyari sa'yo, may nangyari sa pamilya mo, ang hirap. So, kailangan insured ka sa pamilya mo. Ito, napaka-importante, OFW. Number one, umuubos. Kaya kung ano ng mindset natin sa OFW, subukan ng ipang acquisition offer or gateway offer ang insurance, pasok na pasok sa OFW yan. Bakit? Ang number one, isa lang spin mo. Madam, sir, OFW, tell me if I'm right or wrong. Number one po na umuubos ng savings mo sa OFW, hindi naman yung regular na padala eh. Kasi yung regular na padala, kasama na sa budget ko yan. Ang uubos ng savings mo, yung biglaan padala. Yung bigla-biglang may tatawag sa'yo, Tita, may nagkasakit. Are you following? Auntie, hello? Minsan kahit malayo ka mag-anak na. Tita, yung asawa mo ng pinsan ng kapatid mo. Na-aksidente, na-hospital. Basta may kamag-anak ng OFW, parang kala mo may bank account eh. Pag hindi mo malapit yan, parang nakasama pa loob eh. Hello? So, number one, ang umuubos ng savings, hindi naman yung regular na padala, yung biglaan padala. So, kailangan, instead na magpabigla ka ng padala, edi, might as well yung savings mo, hindi mo naman uulusin yan, a percentage of your savings, ibili mo ng insurance ng lahat ng kamag-anak mo sa Pilipinas para wala kang sakit sa puso. Tama yan. So, it's a good gateway, no, for OFW. Ano pa yan, no? Parents. Definitely. Kasi mga parents yan, they understand responsibility. No, kaya talagang di understand na importante cover ng pamilya, cover ng asawa, di ba? Dapat yung asawa, married couple, di ba? Kailangan cover mo yung mister mo. Para pag galit ka, tulak mo na lang. Joke lang. So, kailangan cover mo yung mister mo. Kasi kung yung beneficiary, kasi joke lang. Kailangan cover kasi dyan mahirap yung aksidente, di ba? Kaya yung mga pag-hospital, di ba? Ang hirap. Pag couple mo, pag yung partner mo ng hospital, pilay ka eh. Tama ba? Kaya pag ang partner mo talagang nagka-problema, pilay ka. MSME owners, no? Importante yan sa mga small business owners, medium small business, starting yan. Alam niyo po, ito, totoong storya. Kailan tayo nagsimula ng Ascent Health Plus? November 5, di ba? November 5 ka, over the counter, hindi pa alam ng lahat kasi hintay itong November 7 para malaman yung information. Tama? Alam niyo po, November 6, meron po agad kumpanyang na-close. Alam niyo sino nag-refer? Kaibigan po, negosyanteng kaibigan ng ating Chief Finance Officer, Ms. Francesca Fugen. Leading by example, unang-unang nakabenta, unang-unang close deal na kumpanya ng Ascent Health Plus. Yung owner po, kinover po yung mga managers at mga administrator niya, mga nasa 12 administrators and managers, covering Ascent Health Plus. Ang nakabenta, Francesca Fugen, our CFO. You see? Are you following? Companies. Kasi pala mo bakit? Ang kumpanya, they understand that if you're a business owner, mapag-isa, 5, 10, or 1,000 empleyado mo, lahat ng empleyado mo considered as risk mo. Kasi yung empleyado mo, pag nagkasakit yan, pag-accident yan, walang ibang unang kakatukan at tingin ng tulong yan. Ikaw, boss, ito mo na papasok sa isip na si boss, pautang. Ikaw na employer, hindi mo naman pwedeng hindi pa utangin yan. Bakit? Hindi mo pwedeng hindi pa CA yan, pa cash advance. Bakit? Pagtatampo yan. Are you following? So wala kang choice. Kumuha ka yan sa business money mo, sa bank account mo. Are you following ng negosyo mo? Are you following? Operational expense yan. Tama ba? So imbis na galit mo pa sa negosyo mo, why not cover your employees? Ikaw na bahala kung pabigay na ba or salary deduction para hindi nila maramdaman. Is that good? O, na-transfer mo na ngayon yung risk mo. Pangalawa, pogi points ka pa as a boss. Pogi points ka na, may retention ka pa. What do you mean by retention? Mas matakas pa yung retention rate mo. Yung mga tao mag-i-stay. Bakit? May insurance kami dito, mag-i-stay kami. O ano pa, pag-apat, mas productive pa sila. Bakit? May peace of mind din. Walang yung iniisip ng utang. So lahat ng empleyado mo, talagang todo magtrabaho kasi financially prepared. Are you following? Ganun ka simple. So it's a win-win for business owners. You just need to know how to market them, what to pitch to them. Ang kailangan alam mo, ano yung need nila dito. So yung sinabi ko kanina, yun yung mga need ng isang negosyante. And they know that. Kailangan mo lang actually ipakaalala sa kanila. Okay ba yun? Then offer this. You can create a business proposal, yung ating mga magagaling na insurance support administrators can make you a business proposal. Just need to give the ideas or yung mga detail ng kumpanya. Gagawa nila kayo ng business proposal letter para ipasa niyo po sa mga companies. So, really ko, ito po si Miss Annie Bird at saka si Ma'am Macrease. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Macrease. Okay. Ayan. Next, okay, next natin. Ayan. So, how to offer a Central Protect? Practical tips, use the Central Protect as a gateway offer to start the conversation doon sa mga micro-community na yun. Di ba? So, pag bumili sila ng Central Health Plus or any of our insurance products, transition mo na ngayon doon sa core offer. Are you following? So, ito, dito mo lang kuha dito mo lang kuha yung interest. Kasi bakit? OFW siya eh. Alam niya na, uubos sa mga dependents yung kanyang pag nagkakasakit. So doon sa insurance concept mo, content mo, na-start mo ngayon yung conversation, nabentahan mo siya ng coverage. Okay, willing na siyang bumili. Willing na bumili ng basic AI, ng premium AI. Willing na bumili ng Ascended Health Plus. O pag gano'n, after that, wow, total, Ascended Health Plus covered ka na, might as well, i-go for the income opportunity. Offer ko may negosyo kung kasama yan. Pag huli ko kayo ng enrollment package, ito po yan. Are you following? O, ngayon, tapos ended with retention offer. Ang retention offer mo, pag nag-join, may retention offer ka. Pag umila ng enrollment, ang retention offer mo, yung mga training programs for long-term support. Kasi pag umatin ng mga training yan, exposure after exposure after exposure, the more they go deeper, the more they fall in love, they fell in love with the business, the more they do it. Are you following? Parang pag-aasawa lang yan. Hindi mo makaka-oo ng yes sa marriage proposal ang asawang yan kapag hindi mo kasama lagi yan. Are you following? Pag hindi araw-araw, sunod-sunod ng exposure ninyo. Di ba? Ganoon naman lagi. Most of the, sino dito naman may asawa na po, kasama kayo? Huwag nyo naman itangin. Yari kayo. Sa mga may asawa, di ba? Hindi naman pwede nag-asawa kayo. Pwede ba yung mga stranger, mga stranger nag-propose? Yes, di ba? First time nakita, hindi pwede. Tama ba? Kailangan yan, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time, effort, nagkasama, nagkita, di ba? Bago yan exposure after exposure. So, yun yung retention natin. Kaya we need to keep them exposing them in the business. Okay? The more exposure they have, the more. Okay? So, let's open for Q&A. Okay ba yun? Let's open for Q&A. Baka may tulong. Can I call on? Tawagin ko dito sa harapan si Ma'am Macrease at saka sa Miss Anne to help us. So, palakpakan naman po natin. Para makita nyo, pamilya na kayo sa kanila. Yan. Sila po ang ating mga insurance support administrators. May kita nyo sila dyan sa harapan sa ating counter and you can also communicate with them. Pwede pang may have mind para makasa. Ayan. Sige po, question. Any question? Ayan, meron dito. First question. Hintayin ko lang sila. Sige. Pay yung mic. Ano? Angelo. Pakisabi. Hi, Angelo! Itong insurance po ito, open po ba sa sundalo? Hindi sila police. Very uniform. Very uniform.
Since sa medical syempre, since pag medical, halimbawa, si sundalo nagkasakit or viral bacteria.
Yun. So, cover, no? Ibig sabihin mo sa Chris, pagdating sa medical, wala tayong limitation sa profession. Tama ba? Okay. Sa accident ba meron?
So then, halimbawa is,
May uniform.
pagka emergency
Okay. Alright. So, sa accidental cause, wala tayong limitation sa profession. Tama, no? Okay. Correct. So, meron tayong limitation sa profession pagdating sa basic AI and medium AI natin, yung asset coverage. Kaya hindi saan yun, ha? Next survey, ha? Okay. Ayan, sige pa. Sino pa? Question?
Yes, this the question is regarding pre-existing. So now we're talking about
Pinapit ng mic ko.
so pre-existing.
Regarding po sa pre-existing, so magandahan po kay Ascend Health Plus. Okay, just in case po may pre-existing po kayo doon po kayo may emergency, and yung cause po ng conditions po natin is viral bacterial. Over po yan.
Yun, cover. Okay. Basta kung ang cause is viral and bacterial. Kahit may pre-existing. Okay, pumili naman ng package. Okay. So, ang kasama is viral bacterial. Pero kapag ang cause ng pagpunta sa emergency is because of the pre-existing high blood, yun, hindi yun covered. Alright, hindi yun covered. Pero, kaya maliwanag, viral, bacterial, and accident-related coverage. That's a great question, DJ. Thank you very much. No? So, again, kahit may high blood ka, kahit may diabetes ka, nagkaroon ka ng COVID-19, covered ka. So kahit may pre-existing ka, high blood, nagkaroon ka ng amoebiasis, nagkaroon ka ng anumang viral, bacterial, tonsillitis, malala, covered yan. Pneumonia, covered yan. Maliwanag? Pero pag na-hospital because of the pre-existing high blood, hindi natin pwedeng cover yun. Kasi ibang coverage na po yun. Ang tawag na doon critical illness. Tama ba? Ang tawag na doon mostly is critical illness. Ibang coverage na po yun. Ibang fund na po yun. Kasi ibang risk po yun. Nakuha niyo? Ibang risk po yun. So maybe in the future, we can create another insurance products for that. Ang tawag critical illness. So ganda doon, no? Magandang product yun. Thank you, Sir DJ. Nakagawa tayo ng bagong product dahil sa'yo. Yan, sir, ha? Alright, next question. Sige po. Yan, sige. Hi, Josephine. Hi, Josephine.
Foreign, as long as nandito po sa Pilipinas. Yes, sir. Ay, yes, ma'am. Basta po meron din po siyang confirmation na insured po siya kay Pacific Cross.
Yun. So even foreigners from Macris, as long as residing in the Philippines, okay, so residing in the Philippines, foreigner, ibang lahi, at member ng Pacific Cross natin, covered. Okay? Basta nakatira dito. Hanggang 100 na foreigner. Okay, 100 years old. 100 years old. Okay, sige po. Sige, next question. Ayan, sir. Sige, sa likod. Yun, oh. Ayan, oh. Oh, ha?
My name is Mr. Wu from Batang Quiapo.
Sir Wu!
My name is Ricardo Cepeda. Para sa hindi nakakalam na nagpapapicture sa akin. Nakasabong na Ricardo Cepeda.
Hello, Ricardo!
Yung question ko is
Yes, sir.
sa mga packages na insurance. may package, may set ba yan para sa mga
Enrollment.
enrollment?
Okay. Yes, sir. Basically, for Ascend Health Plus, with Thank you. Thank you for that question. No? That's a good question. Actually, yan ang tanong ng marami. Tinanong na ni Sir Ricardo lahat ng tanong ng marami nating mga members. Yung Ascend Health Plus, as of the moment, hindi po siya kasama sa ating enrollment packages. So it's actually a separate offering, an add-on benefit or add-on solution for our Ascender members. Or kahit na hindi member, pwede rin mag-Ascend Health Plus, pero hindi sila magkakaroon ng dashboard. What we're looking at in the future is when you cover yourself with Ascend Health Plus, you can also become an affiliate. You get a discount on our Vitality products, you get a discount on the products, pwede kang mag-try ng produkto, magbenta ng products, pwede kang kumita, tapos yung other commissions mapupunta sa success partner na nakabenta sa kanilang Ascend Health Plus. For example, ako, nakabenta ako kay, Shane, nakabenta ako member, enrolled member ako, associate to executive. Nakabenta ako ng Ascend Health Plus kay Shane, hindi siya member, automatic affiliate siya. Pag siya gumamit ng Best Barley, Barley Fusion discounted, pag nakabenta siya, may income siya. Nakabenta siya ng Best Barley, 15%, yung remaining 35% kita ko. Okay, so may ganun tayong model na pwedeng gawin for Ascend Health Plus. So hindi siya kasama sa enrollment, unlike the basic and free no? Kasi technically, it's a very, very comprehensive product. So, talagang, add-on benefit siya for our members. Thank you. Thank you for that question, sir. Thank you. Alright. Any more questions? Yes, boss.
Ako po si Boss.
Hi, bro!
Question ko po, if ever po ba maubos na yung 150 na coverage, pwede po po gawin.
Yes, sir. Pwede po. So, as long as maubos mo na siya and hindi pa rin po ng coverage, pwede po rin kayo mag-coverage po.
Marami mo kamagulat ka na siya sa sakit, Bruce. Gusto mo kung gusto yung 150, Hindi, joke lang. Okay, sige. Sorry.
Usapan po lahat. Arman po. Yung pinag-usapan ko lahat din mga sakit. Yung dental virus.
So, yung sa dental service po.
Di ba, hindi naman, ako pinag-usapan dito yung virus. Oo. Di ba, nagkakaroon din ng flu problem. Hindi ka. Covered ba?
As long as yung illnesses po is about viral and bacterial po.
Pwede.
Opo. Pero yung sa dental services, ano po siya, due to accident.
Dito lang.
Hindi po yung yung halimbawa, ay accident ang bagay na yung hindi po yun, hindi accident.
Okay. Katulad din po in connection din sa tanong ni Ma'am kanina. Susunod talaga ko na. Ang sinasabi po kanina kasi ay yung foreign daw, di ba? Foreign. Na nandito.
Yes.
What if Pilipino naman nasa ibang bansa?
Sir, since yung plan po natin is for Philippines lang po, hindi po medical rates po. So, yung
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, so here, just to follow through on that, okay, listen, just to follow through on the question is Sir Arman, magandang question. Yung dental na nakita niyo po invitation ng 5,000, yung 5,000 limits for dental, that is dental, accidental related. Nalaglag, nabasag, 5,000, pwede pa ayos, pa-jacket or what, are you following? Pero kapag dental, ang tanong kasi ni Sir Arman, dental, viral, or dental bacterial, covered po lahat yun. Covered yun kasi, infection siya eh, bacterial and viral siya, kahit saan parte pa ng katawan yan, basta dental, basta viral and bacterial, kahit dental, covered lahat yun. Is that clear? Yung kanilang limitation na 5,000, nalilimit lang siya kapag dental accident. Kunyari, nalaglag ka, na basag yung ngipin mo, papajacket mo, papano mo. Yun, hanggang 5,000 lang ang limits doon, right? Yung second question, OFW, Pilipino naman na nasa ibang bansa, hindi po natin sila pwedeng overpass as Ascend Health Plus kasi technically, yung Ascend Health Plus is for hospitals in the Philippines. Hanggang doon lang. Meron po si Pacific Cross na product for international, medyo mataas-taas po ang premium doon. Medyo mataas-taas po ang premium. So, basically, we cannot cover them. Ang pinaka-best offer natin for OFWs is yung accident natin. Plus, to cover their dependents. Okay, mga dependents na nasa Pilipinas. So may OFW yan, malamang may anak yan dito, may kamag-anak yan, may tatay, nanay yan. They can cover their dependents here in the Philippines for financial protection. Okay ba yun? Clear. Right. Ayan. And
Ronaldo po. How about sports accident? For example, in martial arts, nabalik ng buto or
Diretso po kayo ng ER. Kasi po, di ba, i-treat naman po kayo dun. Ever search na yung word kanina sinasabi natin na outpatient and inpatient. So, depende po dun sa kung ano po yung, saan po kayo mag-board. So, sa pagka sinabi mo, sir, na nabalak mo, so, syempre, pupunta po kayo ng ER.
So, ibig sabihin, kahit risk ako sa sports ko na combat sports, ano siya, covered siya. Good for the market sa mga athlete.
yeah. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so medyo siguro nagkakaroon ng confusion kasi meron tayo nung basic AI and premium AI for accident. Yung basic AI, premium AI, may kita nyo, very comprehensive yung pagdating sa accident niya. May death, may medical reimbursement, everything. Pagdating po doon tayo may mga limitations pagdating sa professions at sa mga activities. Pero kung nag-send Health Plus, as long as you go to the emergency room, kahit na yan, nakating karate t-shirt pa pala si Sergio, gumalaw pa yung chest, ayan o, gusto nyo makita? Yeah, so, yung pwede ko, bakit mo naman kasi pinagalaw? Oh, yun, so, yun, pwede po tayo, boss. Pwede tayo, boss. Ayan, okay. Anyway, yan si Miss. Ay, don't worry.
Since meron po tayong coverage ng accident, yung magiging accessible, pwede ko bang gawin kung meron akong basic or payment or reimbursement? Or kasi di ba meron tayo stability lang, limitation. Or kapag yung mismong coverage ng accident ko is emergency or ano na siya, emergency living, pwede ko bang reimbursement yun ako yung basic or yes, so kasi actually, different plan naman po yung innovation mo din. So, pwede ko kayo mag-treat at least 13 ng mga yes. Follow-up question lang po. Yung foreigners residing in the Philippines, paano po they would be staying for a month or 2 or 3 months. And they use it. As long as meron silang i-happy po sila ni Pastor, meron po silang email. Kailangan mag-wait lang dito sa emergency room. So, ako mag-wait. So, they have pwede silang mag-type, pwede nilang gawin ng emergency. Yes, pwede ba makasila?
Actually, good question yun. Pwede yun, no? Yung mga short period lang ang stay ng mga foreigners. I think they're allowed. Pero again, kasi meron din yung travel insurance. Another product na naman. Nakagawa na naman tayo ng bagong product. Iba kasi syempre medyo expensive for them if they will be purchasing the coverage. O, bagay, mura lang naman, no? But if they will getting the coverage, sasabit lang naman sila sa Pilipinas. So may ibang linya na naman yun. No? Ang tawag ng travel insurance. So we can actually offer that also for travelers, like foreigners staying here in the Philippines for a short period of time. May travel insurance sa mga. Ano mangyari? May coverage. Bago product, ha? May product ka rin. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, sige. Last 2 questions.
Grace po, and yung question ko is,
Hi,
Greg. Bang sa accident in yung panahon ko, kasi di ba ngayon, cover tayo na utol at utan,
So, as long as a central plus, Okay, so as a central class, hindi ko lang po, i-think ko natin is ER. So every time na i-think ko natin, di ba, mga emergency, kung dahil po kayo ng emergency room, then ipapresent lang po ninyo yung meron po tayong central class. Then, yes, okay na po yun.
So, covered.
ER po lagi. Parang yun ang pinakasabi ko ER lang. Huwag ka lang po kayo ng
So, basta emergency room, kahit na binaha, binagyo, nadulas, whatsoever, you go to emergency room with a card, pwede na i-cover. Now, meron pa tayo, pwede sa Sterling natin, basic and premium AI, yung mga accident due to calamity, alright? Technically, we can cover them sa basic AI and premium AI, pero still submit yung requirements kasi usually insurance companies provides tinatawag nilang ex gratia. So may evaluation yan, depende po yan. Kung sakaling ma-approve siya, pwede. So still, it's a case-to-case basis. So pwede. Ayan. Di ba? Okay? Last. Sige, last question sa likod. Ayan, sige, nakatayo na siya.
O, hindi pa tayo tapos ha.
Sa akin,
Hindi pa tayo tapos after ng Q&A. May good news tayo.
hi, I'm Rhea. Just clarify lang po dun sa mga accredited na hospitals. Lahat po ba ng branches ng the medical city accredited po ba? So meron po kaming, if ever kailangan niyo po yung list ng mga accredited hospital, pwede ko pong send din sa inyo. So may list naman po.
Pwede sa lahat.
Or smart pwede ko put ang hospital.
Much better, kasi baka hindi namin alam kung anong medical city ba yan. Baka medical, yan. Ayan, so basta medical city, may listahan naman tayo.
Send na po kayo ng message sa Viber.
Yun, so may 429 message lang kayo sa Ascend Health Support Hotline. Miss Macris will reply to you. And sa protect. May kahabol pa, may kahabol. Sige po, sige, last question kay Nick.
Yung magpapacheck up.
Ayun, so again, this is all emergency, hindi ko siya pwedeng doctor's clinic. So, emergency room. Ayan, okay. Go to emergency room, then papacheck up tayo. Alright, okay diretso naman yung time. Alright? So again, anyway, your follow-up questions, we have the Ascend Health Support Hotline, we have the email. Anytime you ask the questions, sasagot po tayo. Ang ating time period is from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. That is Monday to Friday. You can ask questions. Or if not, pwede din sa member support naman natin. Pwede din kayo magtanong sa member support. May makukuha rin yung mga questions. Alright? So again, thank you very much, Ms. Macris. And one hand, palakpakan po natin si Ms. Macris and Ms. Ryan. So, as we move forward, iba tayo tapos guys, may good news tayo. Bago natin tapusin to. Alright, makita ko sa inyo, ulitin ko, yung ating basic AI and premium AI. We will be shifting from Sterling to PGA Sopong, another trusted protection partner. PGA Sopong is a partnership of Prudential Guarantee Assurance and Sompo Holdings of Japan. So they are very, very trusted, no? So dyan tayo pupunta kay PGA Sopong. Abangan niyo po yan. Palakpakan naman natin. Next, eto. Malapit na po. We are looking for a provider na dami natin mga kausap na for post-central protect. Sa mga pet lover, fur parents, meron po tayong post-central protect. This is a specialized product by our Chief Finance Officer, Ms. Francesca Pugen. Kasama yung mga Chief Happiness Officers natin. Yan, si Sola, Luna, and Tala. Yan. Alright, okay. Pause and protect. Yan, may ganyan po tayo. Abangan niyo po yung detalye niya. Alright, next. Ayan. Naalala niyo, Ascend Legacy Holdings. I want you to have this, so take a picture of this. Post nyo to. Promote this. Use this as your marketing kasi ano nyo maganda dito. Umpisa pa lang, we are actually making the roadmaps already. So, alam natin ngayon, Ascend Legacy Holdings have 3 subsidiaries already operational. We have our sub operations on Ascendra International. That is our network marketing solution company. We have our AIAI, Ascendra Insurance Agency Corporation. We have AscendWorks, our IT solution company. So may mga gagawin tayong mga tech products, tech solutions na kung may mga negosyo kayo nakilala, nakakailangan rin ng tech solutions, you can actually refer them and you get a rebate to that. You get a subscription rebate kung makustahan niya in the future. Abangan niyo po yan, mga tech solutions. Also, with Ascendra Insurance Agency, I want to highlight this. Take a picture of that because what we're very proud of this, hindi natin ito basta ino-offer ang insurance just to offer it, just to partner with our providers. We made sure that we are compliant. We made sure that tayo po ay sumusunod sa compliance. And the good news is, Ascendra Insurance Agency, as one of our subsidiary, is already SEC registered and Insurance Commission endorsed po tayo. So, ang isa sa mga nagpapatibay sa atin dyan. Pero another good news, ito yan, introductory of Ascend Health Plus para lang sa mga nag-stay. So, the good news is that at 11,999 or yung sa mga medyo up to 66 to 100 years old, instead of 2,000 pesos members rebate, introductory for a particular period of time, ang members rebate natin is 3,000 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, ang member ka, parang lumalabas, 8,999 siya. Okay, pag nakabenta ka ng 11,999, nakapromote ka, you get 3,000 pesos. Plus the UV, BPN, TV. Okay, okay. Wonderful. So again, ladies and gentlemen, mga kaibigan sa Ascendra International, ang goal natin is to revolutionize the industry one solution at a time. Kasama ang Ascend Health Plus dyan, marami pa pong pasunod. Ang kulitin ko natin, gawin natin negosyo ng magaan, with full of innovation, with full of heart and service and passion. Yan ang Ascendra way. Thank you very much and God bless you guys. See you on our next coming events. God bless!